Saket of grade 7
And my name is Francis of grade 7.
My name is Nishant. I am from grade.
My name is Shashikala of grade 6.
I am Zamila of grade.
I am Kritan of grade 6.
My name is H. Bhargav Sai.
This is Zahid of grade 7.
And my name is Avinash. Today I would like to share some points about importance of financial literacy. Financial literacy helps the people to understand how money works in real life. It builds to manage and manage budget expenses wisely. It builds the smart investment habits. It also encourages the decision making skills. It prevents from exams. Thank you.
Today our topic is about needs and wants. Needs is essential for our life to survive. Wants means which we want to be like to have. Examples of needs: shelter, water, food, and etc. Examples of wants: light, fan, bench, and etc. Thank you.
Today I am telling about evolution of money. First there was a system that exchanging of goods. This system is called barter system, and gold coins are mostly used in kings ruling, and it was used for paying taxes, and next there was a metal coins, and there were the metal coins are used for paying taxes, and the most important one is paper money. Paper money is also used as a paying taxes. Currently this is trending. And next scratching cards, plastic cards. These cards had one machine. We will scratch the part and enter our password. We should pay the money. That is used for online transaction, and this is called plastic cards. And next was electronic money. Electronic money is used for paying the taxes and the goods cost. It is used for online transaction. And examples of the electronic money is Beam, Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm, etc. are the examples of the electronic money. Next there was a most important one that is called cryptocurrency, is also known as Bitcoin. Bitcoin has every country. It is used for online transactions.
Today I am speaking about money. Money is a medium of exchanging money to overcome the problems of the barter system. Money acts as a medium of exchanging. Money was invented to overcome the problems of the barter system. Human beings need money. Money is a powerful tool that can solve many problems. Money is needed for our necessities like food and shelter. Money needed for our contracts. Money gives freedom and choices. Thank you.
Today I am speaking about evolution of money. In earlier days there is no money. They used barter system. Then it was evolved to coins. There are three types of coins: copper coin, gold coin, silver coins. Then it was evolved to mobile banking. They will store money, and when they want they will send to other persons. Thank you.
Today we will discuss about the barter system. The barter system is one of the oldest forms of trade, where goods and services are exchanged directly without the use of money. In this system, individuals negotiate and agree on the relative value of their offering to make a trade. This method was commonly used in ancient economic and small communities before the advent of money.
My topic is about banking. There are several banks in India. Example: SBI Bank, Union Bank. SBI Bank means State Bank of India. Banking means for saving money or for deposit. Banking means if we have money, we can save the money in bank. Thank you.
I am going to speak about saving, lending, earning. How adults earn money by their jobs. Still, you can also start earning money by doing courses, helping neighbors, starting a small summer business like selling lemonade. Now, rule: money is not paper. It is a award for your life. When you earn it, you learn its true value. Next we come how to save. Saving. What is save? Saving means keeping, storing money you earn or receive. How will you receive money? By doing courses or a power of 10 rupees will earn very much. If you keep storing 10 rupees every month, by the end of the year you will get 120 rupees. Now next we come for smart spend. Needs versus wants. The shopkeeper always thinks about wants. If you want anything, don't buy it. Next day you wait, then you can buy it if you want it. Now, when you will become adult, money will not control you. Thank you. Today I will speak about bank accounts. Bank account means which we store our money in the banks. There are some cards and certificates. They are Aadhaar card, date of birth certificate, application software certificate, etc. There are 6 types of accounts. They are saving account, current account, joint account, fixed deposit account, children account, Recurring deposit account. Saving account means which we save our money in the accounts. Current account means which the businessman open these accounts and meet the deposits. Joint account means any 2 or 3 members can open this account. Children account means which children under the 18 age can open these accounts. Fixed deposit account means which park their funds in the banks, etc. Recurring deposit account means encouraged and etc. Thank you.
Today I will talk about some points about RBI, Reserve Bank of India. In every country there is a organization that work as central bank. The function of the central bank is to regulate and monitor the banking of the financial system in every country. The Reserve Bank of India is act as Central Bank of India. The RBI was established on 1st April 1935 and was nationalized on 1st January 1949. The RBI plays role of regulation banking system in India. Thank you.
Now I am speaking about piggy bank. A piggy bank is a small container shaped like a pig. It is used to save money. Children use it a lot. It is a fun way to teach children about saving, collecting money, and it is also used for emergency and future. It is also called coins bank. It is a traditional way to save money. Thank you.
Children, you know now financial literature meaning what is that? What is the use of this? Like this, if we are having the knowledge of financial literature, we will be not get cheated with anyone. This knowledge, if every student is having, they can save the money now only for your future, for your education or for your personal thing. Okay now? I am very happy that students have learned something and they are doing very well in financial literature, and many children they are interested to study about this financial literature. I am very thankful to give this opportunity for our principal to conduct this program, and I thank Jany sir, Kausar madam and Sadiya madam also supporting me in this program. Thank you.